Whether you're writing a book or crafting a professional email or submitting a paper, having a professional proofreading software can be a lifesaver. But with so many different sets of editing software out there, which one gives you the biggest bang for your buck? Plus, isn't just regular spell checker and grammar checker good enough? Well, in today's video, I'm going to review one of the most popular grammar checkers out there, Grammarly. But to do this right, I'm going to show you exactly what Grammarly is and what it can do for you, as well as the difference between the free version and the premium version, and I'll even show you how I use Grammarly in my work life as well as my daily life. Also, be sure to stay to the end of the video where I'm going to tell you a story about how Grammarly actually saved my company from getting ripped off. Now, if you'd like to learn more about book marketing and other online softwares and services, go ahead and hit the subscribe button at the bottom right and click the bell icon so as to get notifications of when my next videos are out. And with that, let's begin. Grammarly is my favorite proofreading software. It not only helps to check and monitor my online writing like Facebook, blogging, and even forums, but helps to check my papers, books, and scripts. It does this by using 3 different tools. There's the Grammarly browser extension, which protects me from stupid mistakes while crafting a not so witty Facebook post or comment, as well as when I'm sending an email through Gmail or any other online email service. Whoops. There is also the Microsoft Word and Outlook plugin, so as to check my documents with a click. And later, I'll show you exactly why this is much better than Word's own spell checker and grammar checker. However, this particular feature is only available for PC users. Sorry, Mac users. And finally, there's the downloadable Grammarly personal editor app or online version, where you can either use it to type your documents or books or papers, copy and paste documents into it, or just drag and drop them into Grammarly. Inside of here, I can organize my writing with blog articles, my course scripts, and even my thesis, which I wrote while at Naval Postgraduate School. This was a real lifesaver. With Grammarly, there are 2 different versions, free and premium. With the free version, you get access to the browser extension, the Microsoft Word and Outlook plugin, and the personal editor on Grammarly and the desktop app. Inside of those, you can check definitions and synonyms and get access to over 150 different critical and spelling rule checks. You'll also get your writing performance stats via email, which is pretty cool. With Premium, you'll get all of that, plus an extra 100+ more critical grammar and spelling checks. So Grammarly is a lot better at its job. You'll also get vocabulary enhancement suggestions, genre-specific writing style checks, which is important for those fiction writers out there, and access to Grammarly's automatic plagiarism detection system, which I'll cover a specific story that pertains to that last feature at the end of this video. So what does Premium actually cost, and is it worth it? You could either pay the $29.95 per month, which actually kind of sucks, or the $59.95 per quarter, which really isn't that much better, or $139.95 annually. We can all tell which one Grammarly wants us to go to, right? Now, I personally pay the annual subscription. Does everybody have to do that? Of course not. But I do a lot of professional writing on Kindlepreneur.com, and I used to get a lot of irate emails from people over a simple grammar mistake. I'll also make sure my daughter has it when she goes to college next year, because I think this sort of checker can really help her with her papers, and so the boost of Premium is definitely worth it. Now, you're probably wondering to yourself, isn't just the Word, spell, and grammar checker good enough? Let's do a side-by-side comparison of Word's grammar checker to Grammarly Free and even Grammarly Premium and see what happens. I took a small document and made it error-free as per Word's grammar and spell checker. I then copy and pasted the same document into Grammarly Free and into a Grammarly Premium account. As you can see, Grammarly Free found 16 extra mistakes, while Premium found even more with 96 mistakes. Now, in truth, there were many suggestions by Grammarly that I could disregard, but I could not believe some of the mistakes that Word missed. Now, one question that I get from a lot of users is, can Grammarly replace a professional editor? And my answer is no, it can't. So don't buy Grammarly if you're thinking you can cut out paying a professional editor. However, there are a lot of us out there who wouldn't pay for an editor, like you're submitting a paper to a teacher or you're about to send a proposal to a boss. This is where Grammarly really shines, because it will find a lot of those issues that will shall we say, be a little embarrassing when it gets out there. So in the end, I'm a pretty big fan of Grammarly, and I use it myself. And if you're interested in picking up either the free or the premium version, be sure to click my affiliate link in the description below, or you can find it at kindlepreneur.com/click/Grammarly. Now that we covered what Grammarly can do for you, as well as some of the differences between free and premium, let me tell you how Grammarly saved my business from getting ripped off. A while ago, I did a check of one of my kindlepreneur.com articles through Grammarly's copyright check, and I found that there was a website out there that was using a lot of my content. I clicked on the link, and what was even worse was that they were actually claiming it was their own content. Thanks to Grammarly, I caught them in the act, and now that I know who those guys were, I used the tactic that I discussed in my fighting e-piracy video to send them a quick DMCA takedown. Within a day or two, all their stolen info was gone. So be sure to click that video and check it out. Also, if you enjoyed this video, then click the like button or the subscribe button over here. Also, be sure to check out some of my other videos as well, and comment below if you have any questions. I'm Dave Chesson of Kindlepreneur, signing off.